Hi and welcome back to another quick guide today. Today, I will teach you how to unsend friend requests on Facebook. If you accidentally sent a friend request on Facebook, you can cancel it before the other person accepts. And sending a friend request removes the pending request from the recipient's account. So follow these steps to cancel a sent friend request on Facebook. To begin, open the Facebook app on your mobile device or visit the Facebook website in your web browser. Log into your Facebook account if you're not already signed in. Tap or click the search bar at the top of the screen. Enter the name of the person whose friend request you want to cancel, then tap the search button on your keyboard. Select the correct profile from the search results to open the person's Facebook profile. Look for the friend request sent or cancel request button. Tap or click the button to view the available options. Select cancel request to unsend the friend request. Wait for the request to be canceled successfully. Refresh the profile to make sure the add friend button appears again. Repeat these steps if you want to cancel other pending friend requests. Review your pending friend requests occasionally to manage any request you no longer want to keep active. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.